Last class we have seen factorization of the polynomial based on some identities. Now today we are going to continue the same only. Factorize x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 4xy plus 12yz minus 6zx. So how to do the solution, let us see. Okay. Once again the question. Here you can remember that only one term of identity you are having these many terms like this. 6 terms are there, 3 squares and 3 are in a different two at a time. So here I'll write like this, x whole square plus 4y whole square, that means 4y square it is 2y whole square plus 9z square it is 3z whole square, right? So now we identified these are the first and the last term, first 3 terms. Okay, next plus 2 into, if this is the first term we can write 2 at a time means x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 3z plus 2 into 3z into x. See why I have written like this means here you have seen that 6 terms are there. 6 terms is coming in which identity? A plus b plus c whole square, right? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square, right? Plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here also you can see the 6 terms. Here also we can see in the question 6 terms are there. So the identity which is possible here is a plus b plus c whole square only. So according to that we arranged the first 3 terms, that is x square, 2y whole square plus 3z square. If these are the first 3 terms, then it should be 2 into 2 at a time, first and the second, x into 2y, right? Plus 2 into 2y into 3z plus 2 into 3z into x. But what is the difference here? When you multiply this one, I always told that after factorizing like this, we should always cross check whether we are getting the question. Otherwise our factorization is wrong only. So 2 into x into 2y means it's plus 4xy we are getting. But here minus 4xy is there. Again here it is plus only. Again minus 6zx is there, 2 into 3z into x. But here if you multiply this we are getting 6zx only. So what we have to do means you should think which variable is common in these two minus. Which variable is common? X. See 4xy x is there, 6zx x is there. So that x will be minus for us. I'll put minus now. Minus x. And here also minus, right? Now the question is not complete. Now you multiply and check that one. 2 into 2 4, 4 into minus xy minus 4xy, 2 into 3z into minus x, 6zx with minus sign. So we got. Now this is the change we have to make in the factorization. Now if you made here x means here x is minus means here also minus, right? Minus x square, there is no change in the sign because minus x whole square is plus x square only. But here for getting these two terms as a minus, we required minus x only. So the same sign should come here also. I'll explain once again, don't worry. What we have done here I'll explain. Now you see that this is the first term. See a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? Where a equal to minus x, b equal to 2y and c is equal to 3z. So this is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. That means minus x plus 2y plus 3z whole square. Again I always told that we should write in the lowest power only. So minus x plus 2y plus 3z into minus x plus 2y plus 3z, right? So this is the factorization of this polynomial. I know that you got little bit confusion how I have done here. Two methods are there here. I'll teach one more method also. Before that I'll explain here one more time. What is the question given to us? It is x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 4xy plus 12yz minus 6zx. We identified which is the identity to be used here, because 6 terms are coming here. This 6 identity only, a plus b plus c whole square. So we have to write the first 3 terms as a squares, second terms as a product of 2 at a time, 2 variables at a time. So we are writing here as, what I should write, x whole square. Okay, now 2y whole square plus 3z whole square. I think here nobody will have any doubt, isn't it? Now according to the formula we need plus only. So plus 2 into x into 2y, 2 at a time, plus 2 into 2y into 3z plus 2 into 3z into x. Now what is the problem? We factorized according to our first term, second term, third term, right? But here what happened, when we are multiplying this one, we are not getting minus 4xy. Here we are multiplying this, we are getting plus 6zx only. So what we should do means, which is the common variable in these two minus terms, you should check. Which is the minus terms, which is the common variable x. So that x we are giving minus. Then only we will get the same terms. Now once you got this x as a minus, here also you should put minus. Right? This is one of the important steps. Here children will not do. Right? Here also minus to be done, because minus is not making any difference here. Minus x whole square is plus x square only. But these are the terms of that expansion. So here it is equal to, now we can write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? Where a equal to minus x, b equal to 2y and c is equal to 3z. This is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. That means minus x plus 2y plus 3z whole square. Or we can say minus x plus 2y plus 3z, since it is a factorization. Minus x plus 2y plus 3z. Got? This is the answer. So once again I have to tell in a second method. So that is means here same step. That is, once again I'll write, this is not required, only one method you have to study, but any children knows this method also, they will ask me why it is not used here. So that is the purpose I'm explaining here. X square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 4xy plus 12yz minus 6zx, right? It is a second method. Anybody is interested, they can do also, no problem. I'll explain the next sum onwards, only one method, x square. So here I'll write x square plus 2y whole square plus 3z whole square. We identified the terms according to the formula, 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 3z plus 2 into 3z into x. Here again if you multiply, we are not getting the minus. So what we should do means, other than common variable, which is the x, here we have changed only the first case x sign only. Now I am going to change y and z as a minus. So y and z as a minus means I'll put y minus, z minus, again y is here, again z minus. More minus will be there, that is only the problem. So what I have done here, last case I told which is the common variable that you should change. Now I told that other than common variable, y is there, z is there. So all y will become negative and all z will become negative. Now just multiply and see. 2 into 2 into minus 2 minus 4, x into y minus 4xy. Minus into minus plus. So plus 12yz. Next 2 into minus 3 minus 6zx. It is also correct only, but here it is not complete. What I should told you, here y you are changing, this y also become negative, and here z also become negative. This also we have to do. So now x square minus 2y whole square is 4y square only, minus 3z whole square is 9z square. Now we got all the terms. These two terms we should repeat here. That means your term will be x minus 2y minus 3z whole square, or we can say x minus 2y minus 3z into x minus 2y minus 3z. This is the second method. I am explaining just one more time. Listen that. Last time, the first method, I told that which is the common number, common variable, that should be put as a minus. Here what I told you, this is the second method. It's optional. Anybody is interested, any of the method they can go. So here I told that other than x, means y and z is present. X is the common element, common variable. Other than x means y is also variable, z is also variable. So y also we have to change, z also we have to change. Y I changed to minus, y and z here, z here. So all these terms I made minus. Then you can multiply and cross check. 2 into minus 2 minus 4, x into y, xy. Here both minus 2 minus are coming, so the term will be plus. Here only one minus, 2 into minus 3 minus 6zx. So you are getting the term like this. So what is the change in the first question and the previous questions, first answer and the second answer? Here only one term you are getting minus. Still you are getting the expansion like this, and here two term you are getting minus. That's all. That is the difference. So I prefer the first method only, which is the common term, that should be changed minus, right? So anybody is interested in this method or a textbook, if you are seeing this answer, or any digest, whatever you are referring in that it is there, means it is also correct only. So both answers are correct. So preferably I'll do this method only. What is the answer for me now? Minus x plus 2y plus 3z whole square equal to minus x plus 2y plus 3z into minus x plus 2y plus 3z. Next question, factorize 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus 20xy minus 30yz plus 12zx. Already 6 terms are there. Usually we know that this is the identity here. First 3 terms are the square. So first I'm taking down the question once again. 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus 20xy minus 30yz plus 12zx, right? Now I am writing first term as 2x whole square. 25y square can be written as 5y whole square. Again 9z can be written as 3z whole square. Okay, according to the formula plus is there. So we are writing according to the formula only. First 2 into 2 at a time. 2x into 5y plus 2 into 5y into 3z. Next 2 into 3z into 2x. Now we will multiply and see whether it is coming or not. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20xy, but what is the change? Minus sign. Again 2 5s are 10, 10 into 3 30yz, again minus sign. Next 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12zx. So you got that here two terms minus sign we are not getting. So what I told, which is the common variable you select. Which is the common variable? Here xy is there, here yz is there. So y is the common variable, right? So y I am making minus. Okay, multiply now. 2 2s are 4, 4 into minus 5 minus 20xy, 2 into minus 5 minus 10 into 3 minus 30yz. So these two terms tallied. Now what is the change? This should not forget, all of you. Minus 5y here also I should make the change. Now I can write this as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, where a equal to 2x, b equal to minus 5y, and c is equal to 3z. So this is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. That means what I can write? 2x minus 5y plus 3z whole square, or 2x minus 5y plus 3z into 2x minus 5y plus 3z. Got? 2x minus 5y plus 3z into 2x minus 5y plus 3z. Only what we have done, only one method, which is the common variable we have taken. So y is the common variable. So here also we have to make the change, and here also. Now identity whichever is to be used. So here 2x, b term is minus, or anybody is having doubt, they can write first as plus into minus, right? Plus into minus, minus only. So minus 5y plus 3z. 2x minus 5y plus 3z is the answer. Next question, factorize 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 6xy plus 2yz minus 6zx. So what we have to do here, once again the question, 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 6xy plus 2yz minus 6zx. So what we can write, the three terms in the square form, 3x whole square, y square, z square. Now according to the formula, plus is there, so with the plus we are writing first 2 into 3x into y. Next 2 into y into z, right? Next plus 2 into z into x. Now what is the change we need? See, minus 6xy minus 6zx. So which variable is negative there? Common, x. So x we are changing, minus 3x. Sorry, here I have to write a minus 3x only. Minus 3x. Okay. Now if we change the minus 3x here, I should make here also the change, right? Now cross check whether we are getting back the question. Minus 3x whole square is 9x square, y square, z square, there is no problem. Next 2 into minus 3 minus 6, x into y, xy, 2yz is a plus only. Next 2 into minus 3 minus 6, z into x, zx. So our factorization is correct. That means we can write here a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, where what is a equal to minus 3x, b equal to y, and c is equal to z. So that means it is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. That means what is a for us? Minus 3x. What is b for us? Y. What is c for us? Z. Minus 3x plus y plus z whole square. It is equal to minus 3x plus y plus z into minus 3x plus y plus z. Once again I can explain, I'll explain this one. 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 6xy plus 2yz minus 6zx. So that should be written in the square form, that is 3x whole square y square plus z square. Why this minus came means after doing this only we have to make the change. So this I have written 2 into 3x into y. Since minus is required here as well as here, so what I done, which is a common variable we identified, which is that common variable x. So x sign we made it negative, right? So we got negative as x there. Here if you are making the, don't forget to make the change here also. Children will do this part nicely, they will do, but here they will forget. Don't do that one, then your answer is wrong only. So here also I have to make the change. Now we identified what should be a equal to minus 3x, b equal to y, and c is equal to z. Therefore a plus b plus c whole square can be written as minus 3x plus y plus z whole square. That means minus 3x plus y plus z into minus 3x plus y plus z. Next question, factorize x square plus 4y square plus 4 minus 4xy minus 8y plus 4x. So we have written the question already, solution part. So I'll write here x whole square, right? 4y square can be written as 2y whole square. 4 written as 2 square. According to the formula, plus 2 into 2 at a time, x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 2 plus 2 into 2 into x, right? Maybe some order they can change also. You can arrange the terms and do it. Now what is the problem? Here we need minus. So here also we need minus. So which variable is minus common here? Which variable we should take as a minus? Y. So y I am changing here. Okay, now where I should change in the square term also. So minus. Now check, x square is x square, minus 2y whole square is 4y square only, 2 square is 4, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, x into y, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus 8, y is the only variable there. Here 2 into 2 into x, that is 4x. So I can write this as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, where a equal to x, b equal to minus 2y and c equal to 2. So this is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. That means what is a for us? X. What is b for us? Minus 2y. What is c for us? 2. So this is equal to x minus 2y plus 2 into x minus 2y plus 2. I hope you understood the sum, because only one identity today we have covered. I think no need of explain. The point is very clear to you. Which is the common variable, that sign should be changed. Now cross check whether we are getting the question back or not. We are getting back, but here we children will do the correction, but here they'll forget. That should not be repeated. So this is the point I just want to remind you, and the answer for this question is x minus 2y plus 2 into x minus 2y plus 2.